Here's a comprehensive guide on how to transfer funds from your PayPal account to a South African bank account. We'll be focusing on the legitimate method of doing so, avoiding the use of questionable services that often come with very high transaction fees. Hi, my name is Victor, a computer science student and freelancer. I've been using PayPal to receive payments for my freelance work over the past 2 years. During this time, I've experimented with various methods to transfer my earnings from PayPal to my actual bank account. However, I've found that the only reliable and secure way to transfer money from PayPal to a South African bank account is using FNB's online banking system. The best part about this is that you don't even need to bank with FNB to use this method. While there are other services that claim to allow you to do the same thing, they are often not endorsed by any accredited service providers, often come with high fees, and there's no guarantee that you'll receive your funds. FNB, on the other hand, maintains a stable partnership with PayPal, making it very convenient and cost-effective to withdraw your funds from your PayPal account. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth what the fuck? In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth and hassle-free transfer. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first thing to do is go to fnb.co.za. Once you're on their landing page, you have to click on register to create a new FNB online banking profile. Once you're here, you have to click on register for PayPal for non-FNB customers if you are not banking with FNB, and then you select for me if you are opening the account for you, or for my business if you are opening it for a business. And then here, just select I don't bank with FNB if you don't have an existing FNB bank account. From there, you'll need to fill in these personal details. You'll need your ID number to do this. Once you've created an FNB online banking account, all you need to do is go back to the landing page and click on login. Once you're logged in, you'll need to click on Forex. Once you're on the Forex tab, you'll need to click on PayPal services. Here, you'll have multiple options. You can top up your PayPal account, withdraw from PayPal, maintain your profile, and look at your history. Click on withdraw from PayPal. If it's your first time doing this, you will need to link your PayPal account to your FNB online banking account. You'll need the email that you used to create your PayPal account to do this. It needs to be the same email. From there, you'll be taken to a pop-up where you'll need to authenticate and give FNB permission to withdraw funds from your PayPal account. Once that's done, you click on PayPal withdrawal and then select the account you want to withdraw with. This is only possible if you are banking with FNB. If you are banking with Capitec, you'll need to fill in your account number and stuff like that. So this process is easier if you are banking with FNB. From there, you just need to click on withdraw amount in USD and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Just make sure that this number doesn't exceed your current PayPal balance. Once that's done, click on continue. Fill in your contact details if you haven't done so before. For the BOP codes, just select BOP code 401 for gifts and then click on save. FNB will give you all these terms and conditions. Just click on accept and continue. Click on confirm and FNB will show you the exchange rate and they'll show you the amount you expect to receive to your banking account. Click on accept. The process is complete. You have submitted a withdrawal transaction and you'll receive your money in 3 business days. If you go back to your PayPal account, you'll notice that those funds have been withdrawn. Don't worry, you'll receive your money in your bank account within 3 days. The best part about this method is that if you have any question or face any error for any reason, you can call FNB's PayPal division using the number on screen to ask them what's going on with the transfer and ask them general PayPal services questions and stuff like that. If you are not currently banking with FNB, I'd advise you to open an FNB account because this will make things very easy, especially if you're using PayPal to receive payments regularly. I hope this video helped. Please do me a favor and share this video with a friend, and click on the subscribe button. Have a great one.